So Gary,
Yeah.
you're going to have to watch yourself on our show and watch all of our other shows. Do you know how to find it?
Well, I've heard a rumor that it's on that YouTube something or other.
It is. It's on YouTube, and you look up Nourishing Maine.
Okay.
And then what's really important is you hit like, because you like us, right?
A lot.
Okay, so
I'm liking you more every bite of this right here.
there, see, that's great. And then subscribe.
Okay.
And there's no cost to subscribing. It just means that when a new show comes up,
We'll get
you
it.
will get a notice of that. So when you pop up on the screen, everybody will know.
And it's free. YouTube is free.
Wow. Okay.
Right.
All right, I'm doing it. So,
All right.
So
I
you're
gotta
gonna do
like
what?
it. I gotta like it
Yep.
first, and then subscribe second, and then sit back in my recliner
Yep.
at the end of the trailer. Now I've got a trailer, by the way. I went double long.
Ooh.
Yeah, I didn't want double wide. I like the double long. You can actually see the curvature of the earth inside my trailer. So I've got my chair positioned right there by the TV and the bird feeder. So I've got talent and stuff going on everywhere in my life.
And a meal like that.
And a meal in front of
Oh my
me.
goodness.
I've arrived.
You have arrived. You have arrived. So you're gonna
I'm gonna
watch
like
YouTube. You're gonna like it. You are gonna like it.
I like it already.
All right.
and then I'm
then
gonna
you-
subscribe.
And then you're gonna subscribe.